How are you today? So, I'm going to see if I can get the Murray to start today. This is a rebuilt motor. It's got new rings in it and a honed out cylinder. The carburetor's all been cleaned. I boiled it actually. A new way to clean a carburetor is supposed to be really good, so I gave her a shot, boiled her, cleaned everything all up, sanded everything all up, looks all good, and touched up a little bit of paint on her here and there, and the battery sat there and it rusted that all out, so I just put like a glob of black paint there and then it'll be covered up anyway. Painted the front, painted all around here and there and everywhere, and so just to get rid of it, was starting to rust and that. So anyway, I got some oil, so I'm gonna get this thing sitting up straight, dump some oil in her and put the gas on it, and I'll probably just jump it off I'll probably just jump it off the starter. I might be able to hook it up. Probably could hook it up. Anyway, see you in a bit. Alright, I got power. I don't have gas. Alright, we got gas, we got power, we got oil, we got wiring. Guess we'll see if she's gonna go. I know it's gonna smoke like a son of a gun, so turn the fan on here. Just really tilt it in this direction if it'll stay. Here it goes. Kind of scared, but I think it'll be alright. Hopefully she don't blow up. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it run, and I'm just gonna let it run in idle until, I don't know, 10-15 minutes or something, and then I'm gonna shut it off. That's it. Not gonna rev it up, not gonna do anything. I just want to break in the rings and that and do a few heat cycles, so hopefully it starts. I don't know what the carburetor's set for, so it might not even idle. It's hard to say. Yeah, the idle's too low. One thing I noticed, it has a lot less compression by the looks of it than it did. It used to idle there, now it doesn't. And it spins over way easier. It used to go, and then you'd hit it again, and then it would go, and go. Now it just kind of goes over easy. Runs though. Sounds good. No knocks or ticks or anything. Alright, she's been running for probably 20 minutes now, I'd say. We're blowing like water in the exhaust, kind of weird. Anyway, it's running. Running pretty good, running pretty smooth. Doesn't even feel like it's that warm, honestly. But that's good. Just get up to operating temperature, so that's it. So I'm out here lighting the ground on fire. So anyway, this mess right here is how you fix your shafts on your lawn tractor, I guess. The one I showed you there before, it was all indented. Well, it looks very bad, but once I put the grinder to it and I get it smoothed up all the way around, it should be okay. And then I got a tire here, I'm gonna see if it fits, and hopefully it does. So this is one way to fix it if you can't find parts. So here we go. That's awesome. It's glowing red. That's insane. Wow. Anyway, here's the other one. So she's still a little warm, but it's cool enough. I think I can grind it away now and try and smooth her up. There's one done. There's still some pits in it and whatever, but this is my bushing. Sticks a little bit right in there. Still gotta have to sand that a little bit more, but there's still a little bit of clay in it, but it's still much better than it was. And I'd say it's just fetching up on that slag there. But she's coming.